Hello guys, welcome to my channel High Tech Confusion. In this video, I would like to show you how to install Git and with some additional process. First of all, open browser and search for the githcm.com downloads as I shown on the screen. You will directly open the download page and select the download button as your PC is. Since I use Windows, I click on Windows. Then click on first link to download. Automatically it shows here. Wait until it completed. Then go to downloads folder. Double click on it. Scroll down and click on next. And again next. Here select the additional icons and next. And again next. And again next. Here select this second option and click on next. Click on next up to install button is shown there. Yes, here it shows that install button. Click on install and wait till it get installed. If the internet speed is fast, it will download fast. After installing, tick box that launch git rash and click finish. And go to search bar and search for git bash. You will find app and double click on it. It will open. Yes, now git bash is open. Now we have to do some additional things to check it is installed properly or not. Type ls and enter. And then type pwd and press enter. And then clear the screen by using the clear command. Yeah, the screen is clear now. Now type git space minus minus version and press enter. If it shows the version number like this, you have successfully installed the application. Yes, you have successfully installed the application, Git application. And further, we need to do enter our details like name and email. It is necessary because it will help and use us for when we create a projects. For this, we use one command called enter the command I am entering here. Git space config space minus minus global space user dot name space, and within the double quotes type your name. For example, I am typing here high tech confusion. And close it with again double quotes and press enter. And then for creating the email, use this command git space config space minus minus global space user dot email. And within the double quotes, you can enter your email here. I am entering my email itechconfusion@gmail.com. And close with the double quotes again and press enter. Yes, now press enter. And now you need to clear the screen, and once again clear the screen and check your details added or not. To check this, you should use another command here, git space config space minus minus list. Minus minus list. Enter. Yes, you can clearly see here your email ID and your name is added in the application. Yes, that's all for the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. I'll definitely reply.